Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the below topics are. The first topic is raw edge cogged V belts. The second topic covers the construction of raw edge cogged V belts. The third topic discusses the function of raw edge cogged V belts. The fourth topic examines the different types of raw edge cogged V belts. The upcoming slides will discuss this topic. Next, we will learn about the types of V belts based on their dimensions. One of the types of V belt is the raw edge cogged V belt. The first point is that raw edge V belts are also known as cut edge belts or simply cut belts. These belts have cogs or notches at the bottom side, which allows them to be bent at a smaller radius. Next, the second point is that a cogged belt is a belt that uses cogs or teeth on its inner surface to transmit power. These cogs engage with a corresponding cogged pulley to create a mechanical advantage and transmit torque. The cogged belt is usually made from rubber or plastic and has a solid cross section. Next, the third point is that cogged belts are known for their high load bearing capacity and are suitable for transmitting high torque. They offer good wear resistance and are typically used in heavy-duty applications such as industrial motors, pumps, and fans. Next, we will learn about the construction details of the raw edge cogged V belt. A raw edge cogged V belt features exposed rubber sidewalls and molded cogs on the bottom that resemble teeth. Please refer to the picture of the raw edge cogged construction details. The first construction detail is the fabric. This layer provides resistance to heat and oil. The second construction detail is the load carrying section. The cords, also known as tensile members, enable power transmission and ensure uniform load distribution. The third construction detail is the compression section. The elastomer material resists compression fatigue and dissipates internal heat buildup. It applies firm lateral pressure against the sheave or pulley sidewall and distributes the load to the cords. The fourth construction detail is the precision molded cogs. These cogs offer additional flexibility, allowing for the use of smaller pulley diameters and assisting in heat dissipation. Next, we will learn about the function of the raw edge cogged V belt. Next, the cogs serve several important functions. The first function is the reduced bending stress. They enable the belt to flex more easily around smaller pulleys, which reduces bending stress and prolongs the life of the belt. The second function is the enhanced grip. The cogs increase the surface area in contact with the pulley, improving the grip between the belt and the pulley. This is especially crucial in high torque applications. The third function is the reduced heat generation. The increased flexibility and reduced friction lead to lower heat generation, thereby enhancing the overall efficiency of the power transmission system. Next, we will learn and understand the raw edge cogged V belt different sections. Next, we will understand the ZX section of the raw edge cogged V belts. Next, the top width of the ZX section is 10 mm. Next, the height of the ZX section is 6 mm. Next, we will understand the AX section of the raw edge cogged V belts. Next, the top width of the AX section is 13 mm. Next, the height of the AX section is 8 mm. Next, we will understand the BX section of the raw edge cogged V belts. Next, the top width of the BX section is 17 mm. Next, the height of the BX section is 11 mm. Next, we will understand the CX section of the raw edge cogged V belts. Next, the top width of the CX section is 22 mm. Next, the height of the CX section is 14 mm. Next, we will learn and understand the raw edge cogged wedge, belt, different types. Next, we will understand the SPZX section of the raw edge cogged wedge belts. Next, the top width of the SPZX section is 10 mm. Next, the height of the SPZX section is 8 mm. Next, we will understand the SPAX of the raw edge cogged wedge belts. Next, the top width of the SPAX cogged belt is 13 mm. Next, the height of the SPAX cogged belt is 10 mm. Next, we will understand the SPBX of the raw edge cogged wedge belts. Next, the top width of the SPBX cogged belt is 16 mm. Next, the height of the SPBX cogged belt is 13 mm. Next, we will understand the SPCX of the raw edge cogged wedge belts. Next, the top width of the SPCX cogged belt is 22 mm. Next, the height of the SPCX cogged belt is 18 mm.
Next, we will understand the 3VX of the raw edge cogged wedge belts. Next, the top width of the 3VX cogged belt is 10 mm. Next, the height of the 3VX cogged belt is 8 mm. Next, we will understand the 5VX of the raw edge cogged wedge belts. Next, the top width of the 5VX cogged belt is 13 mm. Next, the height of the 5VX cogged belt is 10 mm.
Next, we will understand the AV10X of the raw edge cogged wedge belts. Next, the top width of the AV10X cogged belt is 16 mm. Next, the height of the AV10X cogged belt is 13 mm. Next, we will understand the AV13X of the raw edge cogged wedge belts. Next, the top width of the AV13X cogged belt is 22 mm. Next, the height of the AV13X cogged belt is 18 mm. We hope everyone understands raw edge cogged belts and the construction of raw edge belts and the function of raw edge belts and then the different types of raw edge cogged belts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.